Social Studies Lesson 3 Climate. What is the weather? Weather is the condition of atmosphere over a short period of time. Today the weather may be sunny or cloudy, but it may change tomorrow. Weather changes from day to day and even from hour to hour. The climate of a place is the average weather condition over a long period of time. We have different climates in the different parts of the world. The climate of the place affects the plants and animals as well as the people, their food and clothes. Look at the picture. Now you guess what is the weather is like. You will write your answers in the comment box. The factors that determine the climate of a place are latitude, wind, humidity, altitude, distance from the sea, ocean currents. Latitude, distance from the equator. Places near the equator are hotter than the places far from the equator. Do you know the reason? Look at the figure. It shows the sun rays are falling vertically over the equator. They are spread over a small area. In the polar region, the sun rays are slanting. They also fall on larger area. Hence, places near the equator receives more heat and are hotter. Depending upon the amount of heat received, there are 3 climate or heat zones. Star fact: a person who studies weather is called a meteorologist. जो वेदर की स्टडी करते हैं उनको क्या कहते हैं? मेट्रोलॉजिस्ट. Now first we will study the torrid zone. On both sides of the equator, the region lying between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn is called the torrid zone. This zone gets direct heat of the sun all the year round. Hence, the climate is hot and humid. Now is the frigid zone. The region between the Arctic Circle and North Pole or between the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole is called the frigid zone. It receives very slanting rays of the sun and is therefore very cold. यहाँ धूप पड़ती नहीं है, इसलिए यहाँ क्या है? बहुत ठंड रहती है. Now we will read the temperate zone. This region is neither hot nor very cold. ना यहाँ बहुत गर्मी है ना बहुत ठंड है. It lies between the torrid zone and the frigid zone in both the hemisphere. Both the hemisphere means northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Altitude or height above the sea level. Do you know why people go to the hill station in summer? The higher we go, the cooler it becomes. It is because temperature falls with height gained. It is cold in the high mountains because mountains are at a high altitude. Ludhiana and Shimla are at the same distance from the equator. ये दोनों एक ही डिस्टेंस पे हैं इक्वेटर से. But Shimla is cold while Ludhiana is hot in summers. दोनों के क्लाइमेट में डिफरेंस है. एक कोल्ड है और एक हॉट है. Can you tell the reason? Shimla is located 2150 meters above the sea level. इसकी हाइट कितनी है? 2150 meters above the sea level. Whereas Ludhiana is only 250 meters above the sea level. So that is the reason there is difference in the climate in both the places. Winds. Winds affect the place they blow to. Winds coming from hot areas increase the temperature of the place they blow to, while winds coming from cold areas lower the temperature of the place they blow to. गर्मियों में हमें लू का एहसास होता है, खूब तेज गर्म हवा लगती है, और ठंड में हमें बहुत ठंडी हवा लगती है. तो जब हवा चलती है तब हमें ये फील होता है. Distance from the sea. Places near the coast are neither too hot nor too cold. They have a moderate climate. It is called equable climate. What is the reason for this? This is because of the land and sea breezes. In the daytime, the sun heats both the land and the sea. Land heats up more quickly than water. Hence, it is hotter than the sea. As you know, hot air is lighter than the cold air. Therefore, warm air above the land rises. The cool air from the sea comes takes its place. This is known as the sea breeze. It cools the land near the coast. At night, the opposite happens. The land cools down more quickly than the sea. The sea cools down slowly. The air above the sea is warmer and rises. The cooler air from the land blows towards the sea. This is called the land breeze. Due to land and sea breeze, the weather near the sea is pleasant. Humidity. The amount of water vapor in the air is called humidity. Humidity affects the climate of a place. The winds blowing from sea to land bring a lot of moisture with them. They make the climate in the coastal areas very humid. Ocean currents. Oceans have warm and cold currents. These currents affect the climate of the coastal areas. So students, I hope you understood this lesson about climate, how it changes from place to place, the difference between weather and climate, and the factors influencing the climate of a place. So now you will read the lesson, learn the word power and attempt the exercise given in your book. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.